Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can see by the look of the title, we are going to be doing a first impression on the KKW X Mario eyeshadow palette and their two glosses, which I have right here. I haven't even opened any of these products yet. The only thing I am missing from the collection is the lipstick. I wasn't able to get my hands on it. It's sold out super fast. So that was the only thing that I was not able to get. So I won't be able to tell you guys if it's good or not, but hopefully, you know, you guys still get at least to know if the eyeshadow and the glosses are good. We're gonna get all the chisme about these products. So if you guys want to know about them, how they're gonna apply, how they look, how they blend, everything about them, then just keep watching. But before we jump into the video, if you guys are not part of the Birdie family and would like to join, don't forget to subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that ring bell notification. Very important. That way every time I upload new videos, you guys can be notified. But with that, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this first impression. So this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like, you guys. When you move it with the reflection of the light, you guys can actually see where it says KKW X Mario, which, you know, the packaging in this, I'm just like, it's a little boring, to be honest. I expected a little bit more from the packaging, but I mean, I guess this is what Mario's into. I've never really known what he's into, so now I kind of get the idea. But once you open it up, this is the palette. So again, you have the reflective clear sticker on the top, and then in the back you get the names of the eyeshadows. And the only thing I don't like right now, right off the bat, is that it doesn't have the names in the front. It's a little annoying when an eyeshadow palette doesn't have names, because, you know, for me it's really annoying going back and checking every time. But it does have a really nice mirror, as you guys can see, so that's really cool. Oh, you guys can see me there. Hey. So in the eyeshadow palette, you get 10 eyeshadows, which only 4 of them are matte and the rest are shimmers. So yeah, we're gonna be trying out as many colors as we can with this palette. You guys know how I like to do my first impressions with palettes. I like to try out as many colors as possible to give you guys, like, you know, the demonstration of how they're going to perform on the eyes. And then over here we have the two glosses, same packaging with the little clear sticker. And then this one is called Juicy and Super Nude. So let me open up Juicy for you guys. So here's what Juicy looks like. It's more of like a coral pink. And then Super Nude is what I love. And it's just basically a very brown nude. I feel like from the packaging you could kind of see a little bit of brown peachy nude type of color, which I'm really excited, because you guys know I'm really into these type of nudes. But those are the products, you guys. The palette itself is $45. For the price of it, it's a little pricey in my opinion. The glosses are $18, which really remind me exactly of like the concealers. The concealer packaging is exactly the same. Let me pull it out. So here's a concealer. Basically, that's what you get. So it's $18 still. But unlike the concealers, you actually get less product of the glosses in this packaging. Why? I don't know why, but just want to throw it out there. And yeah, so that's that about the products, you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and jump into this demo. Before starting off anything, I am going to apply a primer. I always apply some type of primer to my eye, even if it's just concealer, but for this purpose I'm gonna use my Sigma eyeshadow base primer. I've been loving this so much, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this all over my lid. And the color of this one is called Persuade. I don't know what color of look I want to go for, but I've seen everyone and their mothers using this color, which I feel like you guys already have an idea of what it looks like on the lid. So I kind of want to go a little bit different and create just more of a basic neutral eye, just because, you know, I've seen everyone wear this eyeshadow already, and I think we already know. We get it. We see how it looks like on the eyes. So I'm going to first start out with Miami, which is this brown nude shade right here, and I'm going to apply this on the crease with an E40. Okay, there's the first application of this eyeshadow. I feel like it is applying nicely. I don't think it's bad at all. Like, it's actually all right. So now I'm going to apply it to the other eye. So now I'm going to take an E25 and go into this color called Albanian and apply this on the other part. Ooh, I love this color of eyeshadow. I live for this type of eye color. Now I'm going to take my E40 again, go back in there with a little bit of Miami and just blend out this eyeshadow. So the thing that I am noticing right now, my loves, is that the colors are actually blending in together nicely. Like, I'm not really having such a difficult time, but they're actually working out okay, these two colors. We'll see about the others, but so far, so good. Okay, now here's what's tripping me out. These two, I mean, this one looks more like a neutral slash going into the warmer tones type of color, and this is really warm. And then this one is like super cool, which normally I would not apply on my outer part of my eye. I would like it to be warm and dark, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it out anyways. I'm gonna apply this on the outer part of my eye. This one is called 2008. And I'm just going to plop this on the outer part of my eye. Now I'm going back with my E25 and trying to blend this out. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my eye. I'm going to do a half cut crease because that's what I like. So now I'm going to go ahead and take Vegas and apply this on the outer part of the eye just so we can also have room to apply another one. So I'm going to just take this on the outer part of the eye. And as always, I'm using the E58 brush. All right, there's that color. I feel like it is somewhat pigmented, so it's not that bad. So now taking a new E58 brush, I'm going to go ahead and go into the color Glam. And I'm also going to apply this on the lid, the remaining that we have blank. Try to blend it in with Vegas. Now I'm going to switch my brushes so we can blend this in. There we go. Not bad. So now I'm going to take Decade and pop this on my brow bone. Even though I am going to do my brows, I just want to see how it looks like right now, but then I will reapply it again. Okay, it's actually pretty pigmented. So now I'm going to blend it out. So I think I do want to add the blue, the pop of blue on the lower lash line, but first I'm going to try to go ahead and finish the rest of the makeup. So I'm going to take my gel liner, this one from Sigma, and quickly do my wing liner. I'm also going to take my mascara and apply a few coats of this. I did also want to point out that I do have just a tiny bit of fallout. It's not like super crazy that you could totally see it, but I can kind of see the fallout when I have my mirror up close. Like I can see a little bit right here. And then right here in this area. So it does have just a tiny bit of fallout, but not too crazy, which I can normally deal with because I'll just grab a brush and sweep it out. And that's it. So for me, it's not like a huge problem. The color that did fall though is the cranberry color. So that's the only one that had the fallout. So it wasn't really all of the eyeshadows. It was just specifically that one eyeshadow. Okay, so now I'm going to pop on my lashes. So now that I finished my makeup, now I'm going to go ahead and use the blue eyeshadow, which is called Libra, which is this one right here. So I'm going to take an E30 and apply this on my lower lash line, even though it doesn't really go with this eye look, but we're just testing it out. So I'm going to take this with a E30 and apply that on my lower lash line. This is super, super duper pigmented. This is a really nice color. I feel like I will be using it for the summertime. But now I'm just going to go ahead and finish off the look by taking this shade. And this one is called Loyalty. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Is it Loyalty? No, I think I got the names wrong. I think this is Loyalty and then this is 2008. I think. I probably have been saying all the names wrong, to be honest. But I'm going to take this one and apply it in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to apply this with a Sigma E56 brush. Ooh, that's pretty. This is actually a really pretty inner corner highlight. Okay, there is the eyeshadows. I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. All right, there's the eyes. Now, let's move on to the lips. So I don't have any lipstick or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly apply the glosses just like on their own, because it says on the website that you can wear them on their own or on top of lipsticks or with a lip liner. I just want to wear them alone. I'm going to take first Juicy, which is this one, and yeah, we're going to see how they look. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, this feels really thick though. So this is how Juicy looks on its own. Honestly, I'm obsessed. You guys, this is such a pretty gloss. Normally when glosses are really heavy like this one, it's because they're super sticky and I hate that. But this one isn't. So it's a little of a weird formula, I would say. Yeah, because it's not sticky. I don't see like the stickiness happening, but it feels like you have something definitely on your lips. But I love the color. I thought I wasn't gonna be like that in love with it, but now that I see it on my lips, I'm like, wow. So this is how Juicy looks like. So now I'm gonna remove this gloss and try out for you guys Super Nude. So now taking Super Nude, I can tell that when you open this up, it has a little bit of shimmer in it. You can tell by the packaging on the outside, which sucks, because if I were just to be shopping for it at a store or something like that, I wouldn't be able to tell, but it does have shimmer, so I'm excited. I'm not really feeling this one, to be honest, on its own. No. This, I feel, would only look pretty on top of a nude lipstick. To be honest, this is reminding me like as if I have like some numbing cream, like when I used to go get my lips done. Like this looks like I just have numbing cream all over my lips right now. It doesn't look cute. It looks like something else too, if you know what I mean. I would never wear this gloss on its own. I would definitely wear this one on its own, but this one looks really ugly, you guys. But I feel like it would look really, really pretty on top of another nude lipstick, which I will try for you guys just because I want to see if it will be really pretty on top of the another one. So I'm going to take it off, apply my nude lipstick, and I'm gonna apply this one on top. So I'm going to take one of my classic old favorites of mine, this one from MAC called Honey Love. It's just a super nude lipstick. So I'm going to apply this, and then I'm going to apply the gloss on top. Now I'm going to take the gloss. So there it looks with the gloss on. Now this is what I'm talking about, you guys. This is what I am here for. Okay, so now that we are done trying out the products, I'm going to give you guys my final thoughts on these products and if they're worth it or not, and if I really do see myself using them in the future. So I'm going to go ahead and start out with the glosses because that's really, really easy for me to know. First of all, I do love the glosses. I just don't like this one on its own. It looks horrible, to be honest. But this one, absolutely beautiful. I feel like this can become like my everyday gloss, like whenever I'm doing my everyday makeup and I don't want to just think about what lipstick I want to wear. I could just throw this gloss on. It's gonna make the lips look so beautiful, and it just looks really nice because it's not super sticky. It's not like a very annoying gloss, but you definitely feel it on your lips. So if you don't like that, you're not gonna like these glosses. But this one, I think I'm gonna be using this a lot on top of my nude lipsticks. Like this looks really pretty to me. I'm in love. Now, as far as the eyeshadow palette, it performed really well. Like the eyeshadows look really nice. They did blend out nicely. They applied very easily. I didn't have to go back and forth so many times to get the pigmentation of these eyeshadows. Like as soon as I would apply it on my eye, you could definitely tell like they were pigmented. And I do like, you know, the colors. I mean, these are my type of colors. The only one that I'm just like, okay, why is this here is this one. But honestly, it ended up working so beautiful. Mario knows what he's doing. I mean, he's the makeup goddess here, you know, so he knows what he did with this palette and it just came out so beautiful. So I do like the colors a lot. I feel like they're so pretty. I do see myself using this palette again, but is it a palette that I would repurchase again? No, it would definitely not be a palette that I would repurchase again. So that's my thoughts on these products. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the eyeshadows. Do you guys think they're pretty? Would you guys purchase any of these products? Let me know in the comment section, along with what other products you guys would like for me to do a first impression or review, because I want to know what you guys are curious about. So let me know in the comment section down below. And also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel and you guys believe that we can and we will make a difference, then don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And also don't forget to hit that rainbow notification. That way the next time I upload a new video, YouTube can let you guys know that it's up. But yeah, I think that's it, my loves. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye. Mwah.
A ver, habla.
Hello.
Hija de tu-
Hello, my darlings. The patty. Pinche mosca pendeja. Did you just fart? The color that did fall is actually just the cranberry color. Oh shit, it went in the wrong fucking eye, man. Oh man. He wants my $100 bills. I got it in my eye. Fuck.